Hey everyone, have you ever wished you could join wood like a professional? I'll show you how using this pocket hole jig from Trend in just 12 minutes or less. Let's jump right in and unlock your inner professional. Setup is simple. First, set the drill depth. I used a 3mm wedge, but a coin is just as good. You don't want to drill into the base of your lovely new jig, do you? If you're using thinner wood or different screws, you can add a bigger spacer. Now set the drill collar using the key provided. Nice and tight, then you can remove the spacer or the coin. Great, we have set the depth. Well done. It's so easy. Next, you can also set the distance between holes. You use a slightly larger key for this. Use the center of the jig and move in and out equally to the required width. Tighten up and you're done. When you are placing the wood in the jig, it needs to be held firm by adjusting the lever arm nut. Too slack and the wood may move, so make sure it's nice and firm. It's recommended that you secure the jig to a workbench. I secured mine to a piece of MDF that I had. If it was secured to my bench, then I think it may get in the way, and I would be unscrewing it all the time for space on other projects. You're now set up. Okay. When you drill at high speed and in one motion to prevent tear out. This piece can have 4 pocket holes. Look, we have done our first 4 holes together. Brilliant, we have 4 perfectly formed pocket holes. The drill is made, so it leaves a hole ready for the screw. See, we are ready to make something. Clamp everything together nice and firm, and use the square bit attachment to drive the screws in. Okay, when you're ready to screw together, let's just pocket hole 3 scraps of wood together. The key is to clamp firmly together for a perfect joint. You can glue the joints as well to make them super strong. Tip: if you do inside pocket holes, they tend to be weaker as the screw direction is closer to the edge of the wood. You see, I can pull it apart. It's still a good joint, but weaker. Here is a joint from the outside, which will make a stronger joint. You see, the angle of the screw is going into the wood further away from the edge.